Hi, I am Eileen,
And I'm Ian.
and we are from Temasek Polytechnic Product and Industrial Design course. In Singapore, there will be days when the weather is very hot and humid. Hence, we designed KYL to combat Singapore's weather, cooling and lowering the humidity levels in your room. It is an attachment to your standing fans, and you can simply loop the straps around the grill of your fan.
How it works is that there are many small triangular funnels behind the grill of KYL. When the fan is turned on, air will pass through the humidity filter first before going through the funnels. Using Bernoulli's principle, which is when air goes through a small opening with the same amount of energy in its input and output, molecules will expand rapidly on the output side, losing heat and therefore making it cooler. It will be able to reduce the temperature of a closed room by up to 1.5 degrees Celsius.
Regarding the filter, it is a humidity filter. It consists of silica gel which absorbs moisture from the air. This lowers the humidity level of the room. We can reuse the gel by simply washing it, then leave it to dry under the sun, minimizing our usage of electricity. Furthermore, it is easy to remove and to insert as it is attached via Velcro.
With the motive of being environmentally friendly, we chose materials that are biodegradable. For the body, we went for polypropylene plastic, and for the straps, we chose leather because it is strong and durable. We chose these materials as they are widely used in IKEA and easily attainable, especially for mass production.
Therefore, with KYL, users are able to enjoy cooler air and be part of creating a greener environment.